Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you Sociology, Unit 1, Sociology of Nursing. Introduction. In introduction, I covered 3 points: definition of sociology, nature and scope of the sociology, and importance and application of the sociology in nursing. In introduction, the word sociology was coined by the Auguste Comte, French philosopher in 1839. He is considered as the father of sociology. My point is, who is the father of sociology? The name is Auguste Comte. Sociology is the youngest of all the social sciences. The word sociology is divided from the Latin word societas, which means the society, and the Greek word logos, means the science or the study of the advanced study. Definition of sociology. Sociology is the study of social life. सोशियोलॉजी एक ऐसा स्टडी है जो सोशल लाइफ के बारे में है. Subject matter of the sociology. Sociology is the study of society, the study of social life, the study of social relationship, the study of the human behavior in a group, the study of forms of the social relationship, the study of the social action, the study of a social group and social systems. Nature of sociology. Total 7 point cover in the nature of sociology. First one is a sociology is an independent science. Second, sociology is a social science and not a physical science. Third one is a sociology is a categorical and not a nominative discipline. Sociology is a pure science, not an applied science. Sociology is a relatively and abstract science, not a concerned science. Sociology is a generalizing and not a particularizing or the individually science. Sociology is a both a rational and the empirical. In a first point, sociology is an independent science. It is not a treat and the study as a branch of the any other science like a philosophy or the political philosophy or any history. As an independent science, it has its own field or study, बाउंड्री एंड मेथड्स. उनकी अपनी फील्ड की स्टडी होती है और उनकी बाउंड्री उसके और एरिया होता है और उसकी ओन मेथड्स होती है, किसी और की नहीं. इन द सेकेंड वन, sociology is a social science and not a physical science. As a social science, its concentration is the attention on man, his social behavior, social activities and social life. The fact that the sociology deals with the social universe and the distinguishes from the astronomic, physical, chemistry, geological, meteorological and the another physical science. Third point is sociology is a categorical and not a nominative discipline. It only means that sociology as a discipline cannot be deal with the problems of a good and evil, right and wrong, and moral and immoral. Sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. Sociology as pure science has its applying a field such as administration, diplomacy, social work, etc. For example, physics is a pure science and the engineering is its applied field. Sociology is a relatively and abstract science and not a concerned science. For example, it is more concerned with the forms, human events and their patterns. For example, sociology is not concerned with the particular words and the relations, but with the word and the relations general as a social phenomena as a type of the social conflict. Sociology is a generalizing and not a particularizing and individualizing science. Sociology is a try to find of the general laws or principles about the human interaction and the associations about the nature, forms, content, and the structure of the human groups and the societies. It does not study each and every events that take a place in the society. It is not possible also. Sociology is both a rational and the empirical science. In sociological inquiry, both are the significant.